Hey gamers, GadInsider here with massive news. EA's dropping Battlefield 6 this month, packed with a modern setting and classic features. Let's dive into this epic shooter reveal. 64-player maps, traditional classes, and a modern war vibe. Battlefield 6 is set to bring back the chaos we love. Ready for the scoop? Keep watching. Leaks are flying, and it's official. EA's next shooter is called Battlefield 6, with a preview event rumored for late July 2025 as per a deleted post. They shared a slick silver case from EA branded with the Battlefield 6 logo in classic modes like Conquest and Breakthrough. Another creator backed this up, saying the reveal's coming by month's end. This aligns with EA's May 2025 earnings call, where CEO Andrew Wilson promised a summer reveal and a launch by March 31st, 2026. Battlefield 6 is going back to basics with a modern setting, ditching the near-future vibe of Battlefield 2042. Expect 64-player multiplayer maps for that sweet, dense chaos, plus the return of traditional classics like Assault and Support. No more specialists. Leaked pre-alpha footage from Battlefield Lab shows insane destruction, like collapsing buildings, and new mechanics, like dragging teammates to safety. 4 studios, DICE, Criterion, Motive, and Ripple Effect are teaming up to make this the biggest Battlefield yet, with weekly playtests refining gunplay and movement. The hype is real on X, with fans stoked for 10 multiplayer maps, 45 weapons, double 2042's count, and a single-player campaign by Motive. While no exact launch dates confirmed, July could bring a beta with a full release possibly by late 2025. Now, why is this huge? Battlefield 6 is EA's shot at redemption after 2042's mixed reception. With classic classes, 64-player maps, and next-level destruction, it's built for fans who loved Battlefield 3 and 4. This could redefine FPS gaming and shake up the esports scene. Hyped for Battlefield 6? Drop a comment. What features got you pumped? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more gaming scoops.